Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2020 Range Rover Sport. So any screen, all we need to do, go on to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth's on, then we're watching out at the bottom, and here on the home screen, that's the home screen there, tap to connect phone. Use your device to search for Range Rover Sport. Range Rover Sport has come up. Click on Range Rover Sport. $584031 pair, 584031. So yes, pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. That's it. Barry's iPhone connected.